Hey everyone, it's Colleen with Colleen's Diamond Art. Yesterday a box came in, which I have opened. I already know what's in it. It is the Mystery Box 16, and let's just look at that first, and then we will move over to the other box. The other box consists of another mystery box number 1. It has supposedly 2 never seen before kits and a surprise. I'm a little nervous to open it. I've seen a lot of unboxings on YouTube, and that was Pixie, and I apologize. She is jealous that I am talking to you and not her. So let's acknowledge her politely. Hi. Hi, Pixie. Would you like to sit on Mommy's lap while I finish the video? The story of my life. I love her so much. We're gonna try to do this with Pixie. Do you want to sit on Mommy's lap? Come here. Say hi. Hi everyone, my name is Pixie, and I'm spoiled rotten. Now that she is settled, let's get back to it. Okay, so actually this box is Mystery Box 16. I opened it, and these are the kits that are in it. Pegasus by Katrina Colts, and I'm sure that you have seen a lot of others open it. And I like this one. I've seen it unboxed, and the colors are lovely. This one, Birch Spirit, and this is like everyone else that has received Mystery Box 16, Jamaica Murphy. I do not plan on keeping this one. It's just not my vibe. The ears, I'm not going to open it. I'm going to keep it sealed because I do intend on selling it. This one is what I ordered. I ordered this kit for myself. It's one of those that I had seen it when it was first released, and I talked myself out of it because it was so big. But when I saw it again, restocked, I wanted it. I bought it. But before I show you that, I'm going to show you what I bought for my husband for Christmas. I bought a new pen. It is do they have the name on here? I don't think they do, but well, maybe they do. They should, I would think so. Anyway, it's pretty. I think it's a Bahama swirl or something. And I have these, the Sparkle Pals for my husband. He likes Marvel. I'm gonna end up having to do them. Loki. He already has Thor that I did for him. So now he has Spider-Man, Loki, Iron Man, Captain America, and I accidentally ordered another Spider-Man. So I have one too. The Hulk. And then Home is Where the Heart Is by Teresa Donahue McManus. I just think it's so cute, and my heart is at home. 27.6 by 32.7 inches, or 69.9 centimeters by 82.9 centimeters. And it has 82 colors, including 3 AB and 4 fairy dust, for a total of 93,573 drills. Square. Okay, now this is the part that makes me nervous. I'm opening a mystery box. It's the second box of 3. Like I said, you can see the first box that I unboxed on the link down below. From the looks of it, they're all squares. Not a problem. What do we start? I'm nervous. Why am I nervous? Oh, I just don't want to be disappointed. You'll know if I am. What in the world? I don't want this one. It's Sushi Whelps Making Sushi by Six Leaf Clover. I'm not big on these, but I know some people are. I won't be keeping it. Okay, If this is Cheryl Baker, it's going away. It's not. Thank you. Oh, I'm so glad. I was so worried that I was going to get Cheryl Baker. I did not want that one. It's Peggy Collins. I know what it is, and I'm so glad. Mystery Kit Nature Animals by Peggy Collins. 27.6 by 27.6, 69.9 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. It has 69 colors, including 5 AB, 4 fairy dust, a total of 78,961. So I'm back, and I decided that I'm going to go ahead and open 3 of these boxes that I showed you a little bit ago, because I am going to keep them and I want to see the canvases and the drills. And so I thought I'd go ahead and just do it now for my pair in here. I'll hold them up so you can see the canvas and the drills. We're gonna start with this one. It's not one of the mystery boxes. It was one that I wanted, that I just bought. It is Home is Where the Heart Is, and I already gave you all of the details. Okay, it's heavy. And Pixie's sleeping on my lap, so I don't want to drop it on her. The kid. Let's see what card I got. It's always fun. Okay, it's a bronze. And the original artwork. It's so cute, and it's in the woods. And there are the stickers. Let's look at it. I haven't looked at it yet. Oh, it's so much more colorful in person. I love it. Love it. Do you see that? I do. Oh, I'm so glad. Yes. Now I'm really glad that I purchased. I'm always happier when I see the canvas. Let me turn. Oh, I am going to enjoy this one very much. All the little details in the flowers. It's not something I'll hang in my home, but I'll really enjoy this one with all the little white flowers here. Look across. I always point out crosses. Can you see that? To me, okay, it could be a plus, but to me, it's it's a cross. And the bright yellow back here. Yes, that's gonna be fun. It's so pretty. I do not regret purchasing that one. Next, it's like Christmas. Yay! I was pleasantly surprised by this one. I thought it was gonna be, I never know what to expect when it comes to sizes. So why would I expect it to be too big? It is 22 by 44 inches. The last 44 inches that I did, or close to 40, over 40, was Next to You by Richard Lorenz. And the card. Silver. Yay! I have so many points that I need to cash in. Oh, the original art. It's really, as she's holding the balloons. I just love this one. Release the Sky. The stickers. Seeing the canvas, that's what gets me every time. Oh, yes. It's lovely. I'm gonna love this one. I love the blue. Can you see it? to show, it's kind of long. It would be long even on my table. See her holding the balloons. It's so pretty. I'm very happy that I got this one. I wanted this one and I wanted the mystery that I have. It looks like, what is this? I need to look at the original artwork. I'm not sure what that is. Actually, oh, that's what it looked like. Okay, I wasn't sure. A bow around her neck, like a necktie. And I just love the face on this girl. Like how she's just peacefully, and her haircut peacefully, the peaceful expression, and then her haircut is so adorable. How it curls up under her chin a bit, and her eyelashes. I'm really excited about this one. Very happy. I can see why everyone wanted this one. I think a lot of people, not everyone, because I can't speak for everyone in the VIP group, but yes to that one. And this is the color palette. I'm gonna enjoy this one very much. Okay, now that I've shared those two, this is your spoiler alert. I'm getting ready to open a mystery box by Peggy Collins, Nature. And I think I know what it is because of the VIP group. I wouldn't, not necessarily. I would probably open it anyway. If I even, but like I have those others. I'm going to show the canvas and the drills for this mystery kit. So if you don't want to see it, go ahead and scroll ahead and I won't be unboxing anything else. And thank you for joining. The rest of you hang tight and you get to see it. They come with this card just saying, don't, post it on social media without giving the warning. I gave the warning. It's like Christmas. I love DiamondArtClub. Are you hiring? You all, that looks gold. It's not. I can't see. It looks like gold though. Maybe because it's dark in here. Doesn't that look gold to y'all? Anyway, it's a bronze and it just shows the mystery kit image so they don't give it away. And then same thing here on the sticker. And you can't tell what the colors are because mystery pictures are black and white. And so I think they're adding orange to prevent headaches or to help from getting headaches. And I'm so proud of the dogs right now. They're not barking. So let's take a look at this canvas. It's not very big, which is a good thing. So this is just the third mystery box that I've received over the Cyber Monday, Black Friday events or whatever releases. This is the second one that I'm keeping. I did sell the first one I unboxed, but I'm gonna keep my Christmas mystery kit and this one. I'm glad I got it. I have not done a mystery kit, so it should be interesting. I think it'll be fun. Have you done one? It's really hard to tell. You can't really tell what the image is. I can't. Can you? I know what it is, but I still don't want to say because I could be wrong. But if you really want to see, you can go to the DAC mystery group on Facebook and they show images of, I think that they're just showing what they assume it may be, but then there is someone that does add to the album and like gives it the number, lists the number of the mystery kit, which is found in the SKU number. Well, in this case, it is 101. So this would be mystery kit 101 if you're gonna look for it. I was gonna say something else, but I don't remember what it was. I don't remember. Such is life. These, oh, I know. I'm gonna set this over here. And then the drills. Very colorful. I'm super excited about this one. I didn't think I would like mystery kits, but I think this is the year of, just kidding, I'm not doing it, the year of mystery kits. Everybody's doing the year of something in 2026. I am not doing the year of mystery kits, but I hope someone else takes this idea and runs with it. Okay, that's all I'm gonna unbox at this moment. I'm gonna get these in the craft room and feed the dogs, and Tony, my husband, is picking up dinner on his way home, so I need to feed the dogs too. All right, you guys, gals, you have you a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and click the bell to get notified when I upload new content. I appreciate you more than you know. Thanks. Bye. I'm so sorry, baby. Are you okay? I forgot a pen and it just fell on Pix. Sorry, Pix.